How to send DM on Facebook. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to send a direct message or DM on Facebook. Whether you're messaging a friend, a group, or even a business, this is super easy. So let's get right into it. So, Facebook messaging has evolved quite a bit over the years. Today, Facebook messages are sent via Facebook Messenger. It's a dedicated app and also integrated into Facebook website. Don't worry whether you're using the mobile app or the desktop, I've got you covered for both. So let's get started. First things first, open the Facebook app on your phone. At the top right corner of your screen, you will see an icon that looks like a speech bubble or messenger icon. Just tap on that to open your messages. Now you'll be in the messenger section. If you want to start a new conversation, tap on the pen and paper icon in the top right corner. From here, you can simply type in the name of the person or group you want to message. Just select the profile when it appears. Once you've selected the person, the chat window will open. Just type in your message like hi and you can send it to them. And that's how you send a DM on Facebook.